been a carpenter, and I know a thing or two about a great bang. In fact, I think we all deserve a better bang.
We're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa! Where do you think you're going?
Go put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and
That's for the lies. That's for everything else.
Midoriya, I'm going to crush you.
Look, Todoroki, I already have Kachan crushing on me.
It's not as gay as it sounds!
It's a little bit as gay as it sounds.
Diva is a female version of the hustler.
we're leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever. Ah, man. Ah! What the? What are you doing here?
I want to know what's going on. No one just gets as good as you do. Especially you. Start talking. Are you training with someone?
Training? I didn't...
It better not involve this.
I know this looks really bad, but you see, this is, What? Oh! You're right. Yeah, I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. That's for everything else.
Oh, man.
Get down!
It's okay. She's a friend. Actually aiming for the exit.
No, you weren't.
No, I wasn't. Sick of your shit.
They all love you. They all want you. Of course they do. Oh yes, it's true. They love your skin. They want your hair. Who is him?
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa. Where do you think you're going? has to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say.
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. Please, Astrid.
Now get me down.
Toothless, down, gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless! What is wrong with you? Backtracking! He's not usually like this. Oh no. Toothless, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.